Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Thank you very much for the acceptance of our paper in the next Asian University International Conference on Islamic Finance, or ICHIF 2021. First of all, let me introduce myself. I'm Leon Andretti Abdullah as a professor in computer science and information system with my colleague Andy Christian and Kanawijaya to present our research entitled Strengthening Islamic Economy through Business Digital Transformation and Financial Technology in the Pandemic Era. First of all, let's check the existence of information technology, especially the internet, that has a significant impact on all aspects of life, including the world of business and industry. At the moment, there are five IT mega trends. We can check from big data, cloud computing, Internet of Things, social media, and also mobile or smartphone. The COVID global pandemic or outbreak began to spread at the end of 2019 from Wuhan, China, and has been announced by the WHO as a global pandemic since March 2020. So the objective of this research is to analyze how to strengthen the Islamic economy in Indonesia through digital business transformation and involvement of marketplaces and financial technology in business transaction during a global pandemic. We can check per November 2021, the cumulative highest number of global cases was recorded as follow. The highest cases is happen in USA America, followed by India Asia, Brazil America, UK Europe, Russia Europe, France Europe, Turkey Asia Europe, Iran Asia, Argentina America, Colombia America, Spain Europe, Italy Europe, and Indonesia is placed number 13, then followed by Germany Europe and Mexico in America. This research involves several sections of method. First, our research object is include fintech and marketplaces, and our data are gathered from OGK per July 27, 2021. And the approach in this research, we use hybrid approach. We combine quantitative and qualitative method. We will explain and solve several results and discussions that from Indonesia economic marketplaces. Until 2021, there are at least 8 unicorn and decacorn startup in Indonesia, namely Gojek. Uh, this status already decacorn, and the others are still unicorns such as Tokopedia, uh, Traveloka, Bukalapak, Ovo, JD.ID, GT Express, and Online Pajak. This is some screenshot from Tokopedia. Tokopedia has halal corner that quite comprehensive, providing some services related to Islamic matter such as Tokopedia Salam, Zakat Fitrah, Wakaf, Reksadana Syariah, donasi zakat, kecantikan halal, kesehatan halal, makanan and minuman halal, fashion muslim, perlengkapan ibadah, Al-Quran, jadwal solat, voucher makan halal, and emas. We also screenshot services from Bukalapak and JD.ID. The second one, we can check that Indonesia conventional and Islamic fintech until July 27 in 2021. There were 10 Islamic fintech from Investri, Ammana.id, Alami, Dana Syariah, Dua Syariah, qazwa.id, Etis, Kapitalas Boost, P2P Syariah, and Fintech Syariah. These 10 fintechs are among from 121, or only 7 to 8% from Indonesia fintechs. This Islamic fintech provides several services from health, education, general funding, umrah and hajj, property, and then enterprise. We can check the small, medium enterprise and micro, small, medium enterprise consume almost 60% of the Islamic fintechs, followed by property and general funding, and then umrah and hajj, then education and health. The third, we found that the Indonesian government Syariah Bank since February 2021 merged the three Indonesian Islamic bank into single Islamic bank. We call it a Bank Syariah Indonesia or BSI. BSI already provide mobile services that connected to marketplaces and fintechs. We can check this is the example of a BSI application, and there is some marketplaces that connected to BSI start from Bukalapak, Tokopedia, Shopee, Doku, Bumdes, and Beneka. They also connect with fintech start from e-money, Link Aja, layanan syariah Link Aja, GoPay, Paytrend, OVO, and ShopeePay. And finally, we come to conclusion and recommendation. After our research, we have several conclusions. First, the global COVID-19 pandemic, apart from providing physical barriers, also opens up opportunity and challenges for economic growth. And marketplace and startup can be the foundation of Indonesia's modern economic growth. The development of Indonesia fintech in general has been quite encouraging. Uh, the latest information, our position is number one in the world for the uh, Islamic fintech. Indonesia Islamic Bank provides the banking features and services that are connected to marketplaces and finance technology. And at the moment, Indonesia government only have one Bank Syariah Indonesia with a good capital market. And we also recommended some lists as follow. We encourage legal authority in Indonesia to force the progression of fintech application in Indonesia, specifically in Islamic fintech. At least or more Islamic fintech will serve Indonesian people. In the future, the existence of fintech-based financial application can contribute to the lucrative growth and welfare of the economy for Indonesian digital economy. It's also hope that this type of financing can also enter into specific sectors such as agriculture, fisheries, forestry, etc. Because from our survey, we found that these three sectors are less covered of Islamic fintech at the moment. Last but not least, the government can also benchmark a number of countries with more advanced Islamic fintech, both in Asian region or in a global scale, such as among members of Organization of Islamic Cooperation or OIC.